With the look of a game day ticket, plus a built-in Bluetooth speaker, this digital wall clock is sure to be a fan favorite, no matter where you choose to use it. Use the A, B, C, and D buttons on the back to set the time and date. Push the A button to cycle through the year, month, date, hour, and minutes. When the number you want to change is flashing, push the B button to increase or the C button to decrease. When you're done, push the D button to end the setting process. To switch between 12-hour and 24-hour time format, press and hold the B button for about 4 seconds. To use the Bluetooth speaker, first turn it on using the switch. You'll hear a sound indicating that Bluetooth is powered on,
Bluetooth mode,
and you'll see the blue light start to flash. Be sure that Bluetooth is enabled and active on your device. On the Bluetooth settings screen, wait for My Team to appear. Tap this, and it will automatically connect to the clock. The clock will play a sound when it's connected.
connected,
Then choose the music you want to play. You control the sound directly from your device, including the volume and song selection.